damn. Okay. I already see one viewer. Yeah. Okay. I'm seeing two viewers and viewers. So, what you can do for me is just comment below on the live section if you can hear me properly or if you're not hearing me distinctly. I don't know. That's one of those things. So, yeah. And then after, I think for about was it the first time I used this software to host the YouTube live on it. So I don't know if that makes sense. Uh, but otherwise, okay, let me check and see here. Hey, I gotta say, this feels so weird. Feels a bit weird. If I not used to it, then it's another story. Okay, okay, okay. Let's see. Okay. Oh damn. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, I believe my music was loud there, so you might not have not heard what I said. I don't know when is this going to change. But I'm just waiting to see. Yeah, okay, now that's very much better. So, let me just continue with this. I'm not sure. This is my first trial, so the next time I think I'll have to get a mic, an external mic, so I can use, so my voice can be properly. Because now I have to scream in order for my voice to be audible enough for this live. But otherwise, I'm just gonna continue, and then yeah, I'm just going to continue. So on today's live, I'm not sure yet. I haven't chosen whether to do. Well, I did say I'm gonna be doing a simple calculator here, but now that I think about it, I'm not sure whether I should choose and do the change and do the immediate intermediate level task here, which was probably creating a what an online banking system. I would have to develop an interface and all those things, of which I've already done but for another internship, I believe. Yeah, no, I've done this, but for another internship. So I think both of them are easy. I feel like they're easy. And then we have this other one here, distributed file system, where we would have to develop a file transferring system. I'm guessing, yeah, a robust applied support file distribution, fault tolerance, and load balancing in a distributed environment. Yeah, this alone makes it hard to understand what you're doing. I don't know, but what when you look at this here, then you might understand what you're gonna be doing. Circuit programming, networking, multi-threading, and then distributed systems. concept. Um, what is it again? Distributed file system. So that allows storage and retrieval across multiple servers. Um, allows file storage and retrieval across multiple servers. Okay, this is not easy, but it's easy, but it's not easy. And also we have this other one. I think it's the last one, or not the last, the second last one, where we develop an advanced chatting application. This is also hard to do, but also easy if you already know what you're gonna be doing. Because also you're gonna use socket programming again, but for real-time communication this time, multi-threading obviously, and then handling concurrent users, and also file in and out for file sharing, and then you can use whatever. And then we have the last. Oh, okay, that was the last one actually. The last one, which is advanced chatting application. Yo, I'm not planning on doing this. I might do it alone. Well, I'm gonna do it alone because it's my they are my task. I'm supposed to complete them, and then also this one. But on today's video, let me just do what I said I'm gonna do. And then apologies to those who already know how to do this, or they're gonna be bored watching this live, because they know how simple is easy to do this. How simple is my gosh, how simple it is to do this. Did I just say two nouns at the same? But it's fine anyway. Yeah. So basically, we're gonna be doing a simple calculator. We're not gonna need a graphical user interface GUI. We're not gonna be using that, and then we're gonna implement a basic calculator that performs addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division operations. And then here's a description: create a console-based calculator. Basically, say we're not gonna use a GUI here. We're just gonna be using a console as a form of output and input whatsoever. That takes the user of input numbers. That takes the user input for numbers and operations and displays the results. Then technologies, Java. You can use other technologies that you know. What you learn, basic arithmetic operations, and then also user input handling. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. Um, can whoever that is watching just comment on the live, and then just so I know I'm not alone, at least that's the least you can do. Even if you don't understand, it's okay. Just comment, and then yeah, I'm already 9 minutes in. Okay, let me just continue. So I'm gonna be using which IDE? I'm not sure. Okay, why do I have to? Wait, what's happening? This is going to be yeah, issue no, obviously, but the other one has to go some reason. This one, okay. So yes, we're gonna. I don't know which ID am I going to be using, cause okay, still no, still nothing. That's fine. Let's see. It is. It's going to. If I still remember how to create a project here. Um, what was it again? Was it Java? What was it again? Project. Okay, I forgot how to actually call. So. Uh, okay, I forgot how to prompt the thing to go to the to create a Java project. What is it again? Um, what Java? Oh my gosh, this is going to embarrass me, eh? Create. Oh yeah, here it is. Okay. No build. Java effects. We don't need that actually. And then choose a location. Select the project location. So this is going to be our symbol calculator. Symbol calculator. And voila, and there it's our project created. And then obviously there's nothing in here, there's no, oh, this is not necessary. Java, this is our main file or our main function. Usually here it be main. For those that could be using Eclipse as the IDE. And then but in this case we're just gonna be using this because yeah, we're just building something simple, not sophisticated. And then yeah, also, oh yeah, I'm guessing everything might be fine, eh? I'm guessing in terms of resolutions and stuff. I'm not sure, but I just hope they are fine. And I also hope my voice is audible enough by now. Hopefully, even though I'm shouting a lot. Uh-huh. Okay, let me continue with my thingy. Okay, again, how do we zoom in to uh, zooming in under here? Okay, how do we zoom in here? Full screen, zoom in. Control plus equals to control plus minus. Let's see. Control. Oh, okay. Like this. Yeah, this might be way much better or worse. I don't know, but yeah. Anyway, let's continue. So what we're gonna be doing here is simple. You don't even need. Okay, I don't think we even need a greeting message based on the thing here. Uh, basic calculate. Okay, we don't need a greeting message, but you can just tell that this is a basic calculator. Calculator, and then from there, this is going to be outputted. Let me just put another new line here. New line, and then from here we're gonna need to do what is this again, to initialize our scanner so we would be able to get input from the user. Yeah. Wait, this is capital letters, I'm not sure. Wait, small letters, I believe. System.in. I think the best said about this. Okay, new programs can I I think I'm gonna, yeah, this is gonna be a lot of, and then here, what's wrong with this now? Okay, that should be fine. And then we're gonna need a variable that will be used to take the input from the user. And then with that, we're gonna get scan dot next line, and then voila. And also after this, I feel like we need to tell the user to input their calculation, to type their calculation. Okay, let me also just do this again. No, that. And then from here, we're gonna say something like, please enter your, what do they call it? Is it expression? Please enter your, yeah, what's the thing I called again? Expression. What are those? What are those called? Okay, you see now, mathematics has gone out of my mind. We have expressions. We have what again? What are those called? That chapter it's called what? Tutorial, not tutorials. Damn, I forgot. Okay, but let me just use expression because I remember I saw it somewhere. Please enter expressions below. Yeah, and then from there, yes, from there then we're gonna get our expression using this, and then okay, let me see if this runs properly on that node. Aha, and then we're gonna enter our expression here. For example, maybe 25 plus something else, and then you just click enter. I don't think you need the equal sign here. Just say 25 plus whatever, whatever. Does it make sense? I hope it does. But then this is way too easy. I don't know. I feel like I should have done the bank thingy, because just from here, since we're taking that thingy, we're gonna need to how we gonna do this again? We can break. Okay. Wait, how we going to do this again? I'm thinking we can use a string tokenizer, then we break the string into wherever where we see, and then we use if statements. I mean, as much as it might take some, yeah, I think there is a shortcut though of using the of using the expression class, and then you use the calculate to does for it to do a calculation for you, instead of using a lot of if statements. But for this, let me just take it in a long try manner, and then what we're gonna do here, it might seem a bit complicated, but I'll explain along the way. So we're gonna need a string tokenizer, a class called a string tokenizer, and then we are initializing it here, not initializing, we're instantiating it, and also we're gonna pass, oh yes, input, and then we divide it by the I don't know if this is doable. Case. Oh damn. Okay. Yes. Or minus or what's the other one again? Plus, minus, or divide actually. I don't know if this is doable or not, eh? I really don't know, but we'll see. But I remember it was, if it was, I remember that it was doable at some point. I'm not sure, because otherwise it's gonna be tricky. But anyways, let's see, and then we're gonna need two variables here. Two variables. The first one to handle the first, let's say, string. Uh, the first one to handle the first. Remember when you input here, you're gonna be doing something like this. So the first one is gonna be handling the first. What is it? Is it an integer or whatever? The first value, and then the second variable will handle the second value after the operator. Yeah, and then I'm just going to say first, and then we're gonna do it like this in order for it to take the next token, and then second is c dot next token. Yep, and then from here we're gonna say, yeah, okay, it's also going to be tricky if okay, okay. Let me try something first. Let me try something first. Let me use a double for this so that the double can handle both. The double sum equals to first, okay, equals to 0. Let's initialize the sum equals to first, first plus second. Just want to see if this works or not. Well, obviously, because it's am I gonna be forced to convert this? It seems like it. And then double shouldn't be complaining right now. Oh damn. Okay. Okay. Let me do this. Sorry about that. My bad. As a double into. Shit, what did I do? What did I do? Okay. And then from here we're gonna be doing the same here. Uh, so basically what I'm doing here is very much easy. So I'm initializing my first and second these variables that will be able to hold the values that the user inputs here as double members, and then um, remember that if you don't know, when using the st or the next token, already this is returned as a string. Whatever that is returned here is returned as a string. So I need to convert this into a double so they can match or they can like each other in a way. So hence I'm doing this here double dot pass double. I don't know what does pass mean by the way, but we use this in order to convert this whatever that is in here that is a string and then convert it to a double so that it can match these variables here because these variables are declared as doubles. I hope that makes sense. Then I did the same here. So here, what basically what I'm doing, I don't think I'll be needing this anymore. what I'm doing here is adding the first and the second there. So don't worry about why am I not checking whether the sign is plus, multiplication, minus, or division. I just want to test if what I'm trying to do here works. So I'm gonna try with each and every sign and see if this really says if the sign is whether plus or multiplication or minus or division. I hope that makes sense. So with that being said, here after the calculation, I'm supposed to display this to the user. Uh, I'm supposed to display this to the user, and we can say something like what? Okay, obviously gonna need that, then space bar, and then sum. Yeah. Do we need enter? I don't think we need enter. I mean, do you need a new line? I'm not putting a new line. So let me run this and see whether it works perfectly or not. Because remember, the idea again is to see whether this thing works, and it really means that if whether the operators here is whether it's a plus, multiplication, minus, and division, and then divide the expression into two parts where I'm going to be taking the first part and then storing it into this variable, and then the second value storing it into this second here variable. And then here, yeah, I'm going to have a lot of if statement here, actually, come to think of it. Yep. Anyways, let's see moment of truth. Aha, it does work. So that means, okay, let me change this and see if it does pick up for also multiplication. Um, where is the running thing? Uh, and then 5 multiplied by 5. Oh, wait, what am I doing? Did it stop? Okay, let me just run this again because now, oh, damn, my bad. My bad. Uh-huh. Yep. Then 5 multiplied by 5. Yep, no, it does work. It does work. So now I can be convinced that this does say if whether the operator is plus, multiplication, then minus and division, divide the expression. So now what I'm supposed to do is if statement. If the input contains this, and then do this. If it contains this, do this. If it contains this, then do this. Let me see if is this even possible. St dot has more tokens, count tokens. Oh wait, oh no, I can sk element, next token, notify to string. Wait, I don't think it has. So I wanted to see if it has a function where I can actually get to check the things that I'm dividing the strings with. Well, I don't think it does that as iterator. What does this do actually? Equals. Okay, but then okay, that's not a problem. Let me just leave this alone and then do what I said I'm gonna be doing. So what I'm gonna be doing, kids, it's very simple. What I wanna be doing here, it's very simple. And now come to think of it, I feel like I need to cater So here I said I am going to check if input dot contains. Surely there's a function for that. Input dot contains, and then I'm checking whether it contains this, and then if it does, then I'm doing whatever, and then which is basically this, right? In here, and then what I want to do is this actually. Just bear with me. This might complain, and then I'm changing this to an end. Is it still complain? Oh, some. Yeah. And then system dot, yeah, and then else if input dot contains, no man, compared to what contain, and then I'm checking if whether it's multiplication, then I'm gonna be doing something else also, which should be simply, I don't know, I feel like I dimmed the music a lot. Not dimmed, I reduced the music a lot. The background music that is playing. And then yeah, this is not easy. It's not easy because anyways, I feel like that's fine though. But I feel like this is making my life hard. Let me just go with the sum, it's fine. So it complains. Uh, I don't think there'll be a person who's worried when they see 2025.0 and they be confused. What's the zero doing there? I don't know. Is it going to be a problem? I'm not sure. Cause if I'm declaring this variable as a double, then it outputs that point zero at the end. I mean, there could be a way to make it out to write it off to the near to the whole number. But then that also wouldn't be fine in case where the user inputs decimal numbers here, and then I've rounded off to. So yeah, I'm just gonna assume that the person. Um, I mean, it's not a wrong thing. Even if you write 25.0 on in an exam, they're not gonna give you wrong. Well, I'm guessing, hopefully. So with that being said, let me just leave it alone and then continue with this thing. Else, if again, okay, like, can I just do this, guys? Just forgive me here, because it's starting to be such a direct this thing, and then and obviously if you are a computer scientist, you know this is our thing. You shouldn't be surprised. You should actually be happy because the work is being done in a short time, and then gonna cater for minuses here, and then else, oh, minus, then else, else what? Else system. Let's see if it's the system error. Let me print math error, something like that. Oh yes, my bad for the spelling. Let's see if 16 views, not bad. Anyways, let's continue, and then yeah, if I'm getting an error from the sum or whatsoever, then it's going to be, come to think of it now. come to think of it, okay, what if the user enters a character, I mean an alphabetical thing by mistake? I think it's gonna be a math error. How am I going to check? Wait, guys. Okay, now I'm thinking, what if I just make it a little bit interesting and then force the user to enter the correct, um, well, in this case, it would be integers and operators, I guess. It's not even possible. It's not even possible. Uh, for me, in order to do that, I think so it's gonna be a lot of work, eh? But yeah, let's just see. Let's just run this and see if it makes sense or what. I'm already 36 minutes in, and I have to believe that I think I've done. Uh, what? Oh, okay. Yes. My mistake. It wouldn't do that, obviously. My mistake. Um, I mean, it should be properly right now. 108, and then I think the turn off about this though is that I'll have to run each and every time. I'll have to compile and then do my calculations, right? And then it's done. So I want to make a while loop so that the user can be able to enter multiple um, things. Does it make sense? Maybe it doesn't. So what I'm trying to say is I want to make it so that the user can input, or can calculate however he wants or that person wants, and then when they and then when they are done or they no longer want to use the calculator, then they'll click something. Yeah, okay, does it make sense? Am I making it complicated? I don't know. I don't know. Okay, but basically, what I wanna do is something like this. So we are. I'm gonna make a while loop here. Actually, let me just do this. Boolean run equals to true. So while run, then do this, right? So this is going to. Sorry about that. I think it's all it is. Yeah. So this is going to run and run up until. Ish, why is indenting not a thing in this IDE? Um, and my mouse is so sensitive for some reason. Uh, uh-huh. And then with this being done, so this is gonna keep running and running and running. So what I wanna do is after the user has, okay, please enter expression below, and then Oh, I'm thinking. I am thinking. I'm doing the thinking now. I'm doing the thinking. Oh, okay, okay. Say, and then wait, wait. Whew. Let's say if input dot equals to wait. What is it again? Input the case. What is it? Case compared to ignore case. Oh man. Okay. Convey to copy of content because there's no because oh yes, this is what I wanted. Equal to the ignore case, then let us see or whatever. So unfortunately, ne, I'm gonna also have to copy this. Or if it's this, then do this, then else, else do this. And then just for the sake of being lazy, let me indent this and come here. Right, and then if it's equals to C, I'm basically making the run equals to false. So basically breaking the while loop. And so now I need to figure out how am I going to put the text saying you can input C to exit the calculator. Should it be at the end, or should it just be after? Yeah, okay. I don't know where to put this. But let me just see if it does work while I figure out where am I going to put the text to tell the user that if so in order to stop the calculator or yeah the thing from running continuously, they should enter C, and then it's gonna break the while loop and basically end or exit the application. So otherwise we're just gonna be having this, and then yeah it's gonna keep on. Yes, but that's the okay. Maybe I should put in a space between the two things, the two expressions whatsoever. Let's see if also this works. What is it? 19.5 plus 19.9. Okay, that's what. Let's see. 9 divided by 8. Okay, it does work. Okay, I'm convinced. Let's enter C, and then yeah. Okay. Now it does work now. Does work. And then now, as I said, I just need to enter. Oh, also upon each and every that means I'm gonna have to wait. Let me just that means I'm gonna have to put the system or system dot out, and then I just yeah I'll put nothing so that there be space between each and every expression. or each and every whatsoever. And then okay, on that note, I can also put this here. I don't think there will be a problem. Yeah, I don't think there should be a problem. Uh, so I can say something like uh, not that. Enter, enter C to exit. Otherwise, enjoy. Continue calculating. Does this make sense though? I'm not sure. Okay, let me run this again. And see what I get. Can I zoom out, please? Can I zoom out? Because now, yeah, this is that's way much better. And then let's just do some basic calculations. Yep. And B, enter C to exit. Otherwise, continue. I don't know. Doesn't. So should I keep telling the user to enter C? Yeah, in case they forgot. In case they forgot, I don't think that's a big problem or big deal. But otherwise, the thing works perfectly fine. The thing works perfectly fine. I don't think there's a problem with it. So yeah, this is how you can make a simple calculator um, using Java. How long have I been studying? 47 minutes. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna end the stream by 50 min, and then because I think now this might have been boring, I know, for whoever that is already have knowledge, whoever that have knowledge already about Java or for Java or of Java, then it might have been boring for them. But if you don't have knowledge, then yeah, this is good for you to do as to take it as a practicing thingy. I think the key points or the important uh, data types that are used here is the string organizer and also the equals ignore case if you didn't know about it. So basically, it doesn't matter if the user enters capital letter C or small letter c. As long as it's C, then yeah, it works. And then string organizer, as I said, it is used to divide a string space based on a specific character in the string. For example, here I was breaking each. So remember, I'm taking this as a string, as you can see here, right? I'm taking the input as a string, not as an integer or whatever. And then as a string, I need to divide the two values by this operator, so I can be able to add these two on the coding part. Here, the user wouldn't even know. The user would just think maybe the thing is doing by itself when it does the addition here. But what's happening is that it's actually the programmer who divides or breaks the expression, no, the string into two values based on the operator here. And then come to think of it, what if the user inputs um okay, yeah, now I'm thinking, what if the user inputs another character here, maybe something like this, just so you get what I mean. This is gonna be maths error. Oh wait, it worked. How? Okay, it didn't work. It didn't work. Did it? 25 minus 10 is 15, and then 15. No, it didn't work. Why? Because it took the last okay, what's happening here? What's happening here? Okay, yeah, this is not going to be easy. now that I think about it, I'm gonna have to use expression, even though I've never used it before. I don't even know how it works, but I feel like I'm gonna have to use expression here. Cause now that I think about it, this is how I could have made my thing and submitted. To be honest, but then what if the user inputs something like this, where it has multiple operators inside, and obviously if statements doesn't cater for that for such case, because it says if the thing input contains this, then do this. But it doesn't say if it contains this or it could. Okay, wait. It's gonna be a lot of work now that I think about it. Okay, you know what? Making a calculator is not that simple. Because now I have to cater for when the user enters multiple I forgot what this multiple terms, because this is a term. Well, these are like terms in this manner, but yeah, you get my point. Because now that means there will have to be an if statement for plus for what I did here, right? Then an if statement for when it's plus minus, plus and minus, plus and division, plus and multiplication, and I do the same for the multiplication and minus. So you see, it's already gonna be a lot of if statements. So yeah, I'm trying to avoid that actually. I'm trying to avoid that. And then up until when the expression has plus, minus, multiplication, and division inside, all the four operators, which is a lot of work. I don't want to lie to you guys. I don't know if you get my point. I don't wanna lie. I don't know if you get my point, but I don't think this is gonna be a good use. But in terms of making a simple operator, a simple calculator, I think we've done the job. They just didn't mention that you should cater for a case where the user enters multiple multiple operator on a single expression. They just didn't say that. So I don't know if I should assume that the user is gonna input create people that takes the user input numbers and operations. Yo, and display the results. Well, also this is very vague, to be honest. Input for numbers, user input for numbers and operations. I, I really don't know if I should continue making this thing or not. But let me try. Let me try to be honest. I wanna try and see what's going to happen here. I wanna try and see what's going to happen. Well, I'm thinking and I'm thinking and I'm thinking on what could I do. Should I use the expression? Should I add in here? End it here? That's my check right now. Because I was planning to end this, and also there'll be load shading by 6. So yeah, I feel like I should just end it here. I feel like I'm gonna create. I'm gonna maybe I might go live again. This time, yeah, okay. I'm thinking I'm gonna go live again, but then on the next live, I'm gonna be catering for a case where the user enters multiple. What are those called, people? That mathematics term. We have arithmetic. No, what is that thing called? Of that has yo. I totally forgot. I don't wanna lie. Mathematics term expressions. I mean, what are those called again? I forgot, but it's fine. It's fine. Wait, the barcode. Expression. Is it expressions? Well, I don't know. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go live, guys, later on just to cater for what I said. And also, yes, well, in simple terms, just to make this calculator a bit more useful, because in this case, it's not gonna be useful for someone who has um, a lot of a lot of expressions or a lot of operations. But yeah, but this is also another way of making a simple calculator based on how you think of it, based on how you think a simple calculator should be. This is how I thought a simple calculator might be. But now that I think about it, I know I am not correct. So hence I'm saying I think I'm gonna go live again, maybe hopefully midnight. Then I'm gonna be introducing a new database, data type, which is expression, basically used for calculations. So yeah, and then also, as I said on today's video, I think the key points that we learned about would be this string tokenizer here, the equals dot ignore case, and also maybe the contain if you didn't know about it. And then yeah, that's basically it. Nothing more, eh? Nothing more. But otherwise, yeah, that's it for this live. For this live as of now. And then I'll be going live again. I'll share the links as usual. I'll share the links and then yeah. Otherwise, thanks for whoever that was joining, whoever that watched the live, and whoever that is going to be watching the live. Thank you in advance, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something about Java, and then yeah.